Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to use WhatsApp on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First open WhatsApp on your web browser. To do that, type whatsapp.com. That will pop up. Click that and you'll be on this section. From here you just have to click WhatsApp web and you'll be asked to use your phone to scan the QR code on the screen. To scan the QR code on this, take your mobile phone. On a mobile phone, open WhatsApp, and from there you just have to go to the option name link device on the three dots in the top right corner of your mobile phone. On that option you have to click link a device and it'll ask you to scan the QR code, and after you scan the QR code you'll go to your WhatsApp, which is on your mobile phone, opened on your PC. So that's how you can use WhatsApp on your PC. Hope you guys like this video, share our other videos and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and peace.